Hi, I'm Phil Huber from the Woodsmith Shop. I'm here with Bob Benke, Technical Service Manager with Titebond Glue, and we're talking about a new kind of glue innovation here.
Yeah, it's our Titebond Quick and Thick. It's got higher solids so that it sets much faster than regular wood glues do, and then it's about 3 times thicker so that it doesn't run, so you don't have to worry about chasing squeeze out as it runs all over your project.
Sure, so if I take some of the Titebond 2, squirt it onto this board here, and then you apply the Quick and Thick, you can see almost instantly how much thicker it is.
Yes, and we can tip up the board, and as you can see, the Titebond 2 runs down the board, whereas the Quick and Thick stays in place.
Okay, so it's thicker, so how does that apply to putting together a project?
Well, what happens is if you've got a piece that's, say, in an area you don't want squeeze out dripping down on, works great there. You take it, hit your gluing surfaces, rub it in place, and then hold it 15 seconds and you're good to go. No pin nailer necessary.
Yeah, so I'm thinking like applying molding to a bookcase or molding around a fireplace or something like that, right?
Right, right.
Okay, so now it's not just for those kind of applications though, too. You can use it all by itself in an entire project, like a picture frame.
Yes, absolutely, and it'll, once dry, it'll get up to about 3,000 PSI, plenty strong for most of the woods that people are going to be using it for.
Okay, so how would you apply it on a picture frame?
So on a picture frame, what you would do is, as we have here, rub the glue on the miter joint.
Okay.
And then rub that together. Get you a 90-degree angle to make sure that when it sets. So rub it, hold it in place against that 90 degrees, then allow it to set for about 15 seconds. It's fixtured at that point in time. You put that piece over, get your other 2 pieces, do the exact same thing, 15 seconds, then set that aside in about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can take your 2 pieces, put glue on both of those sides, rub them together, and then set them in that 90 degree. If all your angles are correct, you'll end up with a perfectly square frame.
And I think what blows my mind is the fact that we're looking at no clamps at all. So you're not messing around, because to me when you see miters and glue, you got things sliding around all over the place.
Right, no clamps necessary. All you're doing is fixturing it in place, similar to how you would do with a molding and trim. Again, no nails, no clamping necessary.
That's great. So it's time to add another glue to your collection and help you improve the projects that you build in your shop. Thanks, Bob.
Thank you.
Find more tips at titebond.com.